What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, well, yeah, I guess you could call this a review. I know I've been doing reviews lately, and I just been walking around and this car been right behind me. So basically, this is a Dodge, what is it? Journey. I was ready to say Caravan. The Dodge Journey is not like some Speedy Gonzales car or whatever. It's a regular size SUV. It's pretty nice. Now, this car was like debatable between me and my father-in-law. He actually called me first to see if I wanted it, and I told him I didn't really want a Dodge Journey. I'm not a Dodge person, you guys, but you know, if I had to get it, I would have got it. And that's at the time I had my white car, and now I don't have my white car. So the Dodge Journey would have been nice to get, right? How ironic the world turns. Now, anyways, this Dodge Journey is a 4-cylinder Dodge, all right? This is not the 6-cylinder. He purchased this from Copart. Now, if you don't know what Copart is basically an automotive auction. It has like wrecked cars, salvage titles. With that being said, he did buy this car for like $1,000, all right? $1,000 to $1,500, depending on fees and stuff like that. And when he purchased the car, it did have a little bit of problems with it, but he actually purchased another Dodge Journey, and it was a different trim, I believe, and he did an engine swap. So he kept this Dodge because this Dodge was in better like cosmetic condition than the other Dodge. The other Dodge had like major damage to it. So it was basically a car that nobody will want. I believe on Copart you need to have a dealer's license. I'm not sure. For the people that's familiar with Copart, you could put that in the comment section. This has the same engine as the Avenger. So with that being said, and there's so much space, you can basically, this is a DIY car, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I can reach everything. You can reach everything. Everything is easy to get to. You got your coils, spark plugs. It's not like 1,000 things in here. He's still doing work on it. So there you go. 2014. I'm about to take it on a spin and let the oil circulate. It's just been sitting in the garage for a little while now. It looks very nice, you guys. 2014, straight from the car auction. Got no complaints. It's a little bit of dirtiness in it, just need to be vacuumed. When people know they're getting their car repoed, they don't really care about the car too much, and they do whatever to the car when they know it's about to get repoed. So they'll just treat the car like trash. All right, but anyway, so there's no like, you know, navigation system, but I'm pretty sure you could purchase an aftermarket. It looks like that you can take this off. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure. I'm not too familiar with that. This is the first push start that I have ever been in, so I actually don't even know how to drive this thing yet, so I will figure it out. I'm gonna take it on a little run. I don't have tags, so yeah, here we go. I'm gonna test it out. The other Dodge that he purchased, the other Dodge Journey, it had a third row. This one did not have a third row, but the people that he had help him work on this, oh, I'm gonna need 2 hands, you guys. I don't even know why that's blinking like that. You see, that's why I don't buy these futuristic cars, you guys. I stay with the early 2000s. I don't know what's going on. That light is blinking. All right, but anyways, this comes from a different Dodge. That is insane. So the guy that he got to do this is amazing. I probably wouldn't do all that. That's just me personally. That's a lot of work. You lift the bottom up and it slides back. Another interesting thing is this Dodge Journey has like storage right here on the bottom. This is probably the coolest thing ever. This is the coolest thing. This is amazing, you guys. Maybe I should have got it. So these cars really don't cost that much. This is once again a 2014. Very nice. Big brake lights. Some big lights back here. Dodge right there. Journey. I don't know what trim, you guys, so I'm not into all of that when it comes to Dodge. Got your gas tank. Why do you need to see the gas tank? I don't know. What in the world is going on in this car? All right, so open the door, get in, and then I'm ready to drive in a little bit. So I'll let y'all know what the driving experience is like from a car that came from Coparts. All right, you guys, so we are in the Dodge Journey. All right, now this is my first push start contraption. So I'm trying to figure out, do I use a key? There's no key on this. Okay, so what's this button? Where's the key at? So do I just push the start? I hit the push start, nothing happens. Do I hold it? Sound like it has an actuator problem. It says run. Run. Press brake pedal to, okay, so you have to press the brake pedal. Oil changes due, press the brake pedal. Okay, so I'm pressing the brake pedal. It says press brake pedal and push button to start. That's what I'm doing. Like, what do y'all want me to do? I don't understand. I am not getting no new age car, you guys. I am not into this. What happened to keys? Like, what happened to keys turning and it starts up? Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Let's calm down. All right, there's no key to this, right? There's no key. So what does this ×2 mean? I don't want to hit the alarm button. So we have lock. So the car locks. The car unlocks. Press the brake. Push the start. Like, what do y'all want me to do? Oil change due. So are you not starting because of the oil change? It might have been sitting so long, it might need the battery charged. Let me open up. You guys, I don't want no push start button. I don't want no push start. I don't want no automatic transmission. I'm done. I want to be a dinosaur, you guys. Just give me a key, a manual transmission. I'm good to go. Like, all this futuristic stuff is no good. I'm gonna get back with y'all once I figure out how to start this thing. All right, you guys. So I just took it off of this emergency brake. I pushed to release it. Now press brake pedal and push button to start. It says key not detected. The key is right here. What key? What am I supposed to do? Brenda, let me call my wife, man. I'll get frustrated with a car like this. I'm telling you, this don't make no sense.
Hello?
Why is this car not starting?
I told you something's wrong with it. Call my dad. I don't know.
Like, I'm hitting it says press brake and hit start button, and I'm doing it, and it's not working.
I don't know. Call my dad. He said something's wrong with, I think the battery's dead.
Man, I'm not getting no push start button car, man. This is ridiculous. And there's no key to this.
Yes, it is.
Where's the key?
I don't know. Call my dad, Marcus. I don't know. You're asking me. That is not my car.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you. I just charged the battery. If you're wondering where my jumper block is, I let my sister have my other jumper block, so I need to look for another jumper block. What is those things? The power banks that jump car batteries. My mind go blank when I get on camera, you guys. I don't know why. So press brake pedal, push start. All right, come on. Press brake pedal and push start. I did. Do you have to hold the button? Okay, so that's not working either. What the heck are you supposed to do in this car, you guys? I don't understand. I feel sorry for y'all with new cars, man. This is ridiculous. Do I need to put my scanner on this? You guys, I don't know. Press brake pedal and push start. So am I supposed to do it at the same time? Oh, it says parking brake. The parking brake is off. Parking brake is on. Now let's try. Okay, now what? Oh. What? Why is the windshield wipers going off, bro? How do you turn this off? Bro. I am not. The windshield wipers is on. Bro. Off. And it won't turn off. Off, 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 off. I don't even know. The windshield wipers is not even on, bro. What in the heck is going on here? That was creepy. You guys, I don't know what to do. Key not detected. What is right? This thing is right here. There is no key. Bro, I will never get a push starter thing. I will, no, no. I am pressing the brake pedal and it still say key not detected. This thing is flashing like crazy. Let me go check the battery again, you guys. All right, you guys, we're gonna try this again. I just charged the battery, 12 volts, right? Press the brake, push the start, oil change due. You know what? Maybe I need my seatbelt on. Is there a safety thing on this? Let's see. Start. I don't understand. Do I hold the button? You guys, I am clueless. What? Why is it not starting? The battery can't be dead because everything is on. I feel a rant coming. All right, you guys. So this is actually pretty cool. It tells you, oh, well, sorry. All right, you guys, I got the car started. So what I had to do was charge the battery. So the battery was dead. So I'm not sure if my father-in-law going to buy a new battery or not, but I am going to test drive this so the oil could circulate. You don't want your car to just to be sitting. This is cool. It actually tells you the tire pressure of the car. I know y'all probably got newer cars. I'm new to this, to where your car actually tell you your tire pressure and stuff. Me personally, I would just buy stuff from Amazon that will tell you what your tire pressure is, and that's pretty cool. This has 61,000 miles on it, but remember they swapped the engine, so I'm not sure if computerized they know how much the other engine has compared to this engine, but I think this 61,000 miles might be to the old engine. And we're off, you guys. I got the key fob and we're low on fuel. Of course, I'm not going to go far anyway because I don't have a license for this car, a license plate. So I'm just going to be cruising. All right, and we are about to head out. Just going to run it a little bit. It says the back tire is a little low, 24. Wow, this has some nice get up to it. Too bad I can't really test it. It drives pretty good, you guys. The Dodge Journey. Wow. This car has some pickup to it. Nice. Now, once again, I have no tags, you guys, so I'm not going to go too far with this. I like this. You guys, I'm really not that much of a Dodge person. Like, I'll take whatever car comes, but wow, it has some pull to it. And I don't even have my foot all the way on the floor. Wow. All right, you guys. So, Copart is good. Copart, salute the Coparts, you guys. If you know a dealer, try to link up with them. You know, pay them like a couple $100. He could probably find you something at a good deal. All right, you guys. So that's it with the Dodge Journey. I kind of slept on this car. This car is pretty nice, you guys. Now, once again, this shares the same engine as the Dodge Avenger. You have a 4-cylinder and you have a 6-cylinder. Now, I was looking on like blog sites and people was like the 4-cylinder has issues or whatever. So you take that for what you want to take it for. Maybe if you get the 6-cylinder, you might have a little bit more power. But if you want more, I guess, gas efficient and less maintenance, you know, less spark plugs, then you will go with the 4-cylinder. If you want maybe more power, then you will go with the 6-cylinder. I don't really know all the specs, you guys, but I just did a little research on it. So other than that, oh, he got a crack on this speedometer, but it is what it is. So that's about it. I don't think I need to show y'all any other features on here. I don't really know too many other features on here. I mean, you can wind your window up, so the windows goes up and the window go down, just like Doug DeMiro, right? This is a Dodge Avenger and a Dodge Journey all in one. But anyways, I'm just kidding. So that will be it, you guys. I guess if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I mean, I'm gonna be driving it. The car been sitting for almost a month now. He's still got some work to do on this, so just a little bit more work, and then I guess he's gonna get the tags and do with it whatever he's gonna do with it. But this is a nice car. But for me though, I'm looking for a manual transmission, and I'm looking for a 4-cylinder. I prefer maybe like a Corolla, a Honda Civic. I don't know. As long as it's manual transmission, I don't want to deal with automatic transmission no more. The push start thing is okay, but you know, I was new to the push start, you guys. So other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.